Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lindsay and this is Waldorf Inspired Roots. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing an unboxing of these adorable Holztiger wooden farm animals. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'd love to hear your feedback in the comment section below. I am so excited to share this unboxing today and to get into this box. But before I do, I just wanted to share that this is an order that I purchased from a company called Pedilli, and I will link them below. And I have purchased things from them before, and so far I've always had a really good experience as far as, ordering from them. I've always gotten everything on time and my orders have always been correct. So in the past I've ordered their zoo animals, but this particular order is actually their farm animals. And so I'm really excited to get into this. So let's see what this first animal is. It is their baby calf. Oh, it is so cute. So the paint on it is really good. It does have a little bit of a glossy finish, but not too much. And so let's see, this next one is the mama cow, and it's the same finish. The coloring is really nice. The tail on both of these, it looks like, is made from cord or rope, and so it's really cute. And then, let's see, this third one is the goat. And again, the finish is just really nice. And they're really high quality, and it has the Holztiger, label on the bottom. And the next one is the sheep. Oh, I like this one. I like the little, swirly patterns to look like the wool. And yeah, it's really cute. So this next one is, it's the fawn, the baby horse. And this one is cute. Oh, I love the tail on this one. It is so cute. It's cord, but it's like unraveled and quite realistic looking. I like it. It's very cute. This next one is the mama horse, and it's the same tail. I absolutely love their tail. So it's the same tail and same finish as the other ones. Okay, the next one, I believe there's a few more still. Oh. So this next one is the rooster. And the colors on this are so vibrant, very pretty. This next one is the dog. And I believe this one is a Saint Bernard. They had a couple options, but I chose this one. I liked this one the best. And I'm just gonna stand these up so that I have a little bit more room. Hopefully I'll be able to fit them all in the video shot. Okay, so this next one is one of the hens. So this, I think I ordered two or three hens. So same vibrant colors. It's very nice, good quality. They're all seem to be pretty relative in size, you know, to each other. I've seen things before that said that they weren't, but these seem to be very relative. Oh, this pig is adorable. The tail is just adorable. I absolutely love it. This one is great. They're all great. Okay, so I think we're coming to close to the end. Okay, so here is the cat and another hen. So I think these are the last two. And yeah, so we've got one hen that is like eating off the ground and another one with its head up. And I was trying to get a little bit of a variation. And then we've got the sitting cat. Now they had several cats to choose from, and my husband's the cat person, I'm the dog person, so I asked him which one he liked, and he chose this one. So it's very cute. It actually looks like a cat he used to have, so. So there you have it. This is all of them. Now I'm just going to kind of arrange them a little bit so that you can see them a little bit better and just kind of get a better idea of what they are. But they are so cute. There you go. There's all of the Holztiger farm animals that I picked up. Now there were several other ones that I may add to it later, but I thought that this would be a really good starter. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I would love to hear comments and feedback in the comments section below. Thanks, bye!